Good morning. My name is Attilio Rubino, and I am CEO at PR Rubino. Since 1978, we have produced simple and synchronized conveyor belts, flat and toothed belts. In our organogram, we have more than 40 qualified resources between the PR Rubino Group and Vision Tech. Today, I'm going to present you EasyOpen couplings. What are EasyOpens? They are nylon openable couplings, available in 3 different types of load strength and 3 different colors. Let's see some advantages now. The rings, which form NY50 couplings, allow the conveyor belts to bend over themselves, thus rolling to a 0.59 inches diameter. Easy replacement of the conveyor belt. It will no longer be necessary to disassemble mechanical parts, such as rollers and plates. Inserting the open conveyor belt and closing it with the appropriate nylon will be enough. Cleaning and hygiene. This advantage is due to the simple dismantling of the conveyor belt. It will only take a couple of minutes to replace it. High resistance and perfect flatness. If compared with the traditional steel openable couplings, the EasyOpens prevent the risk of ripping the conveyor belt. The external surface of the textile and its thickness will remain unchanged. Reduced maintenance costs. Reducing maintenance time implies a reduction of production standstills, which in the end results in an increase in productivity. Why choosing our EasyOpens? We were the first to standardize manufacturing processes, and with the same application conditions, our couplings are more resistant and last longer. Fields of application. All industries can benefit from the use of EasyOpen opening couplings. These products are some practical examples. Thank you for your attention. You can get more information at prrubino.it.